Glasgow High School senior Emma Bunch is now providing her own Google Classroom for students interested in STEM research. It was after winning a science competition when Bunch conducted a research fund project to help other high school students that are interested in STEM.
So whenever I did my research with Vanderbilt and the NIH about breast cancer and CHIP, essentially I entered that into a science competition and ended up winning $2,000 for the school. And so that can be used for any type of STEM venture, either for like a fund for students or any type of an activity. And so I talked to Dr. Allen and some different administrators and Miss Lynch, who's over the Gifted and Talented program. And I said, well, what if we made a research fund so that other students that are interested in doing STEM research, like what I did with Vanderbilt, can have the monetary funds necessary, either for like application fees to enter in competitions, or any like paid articles that they would need to see, or gas money to travel, maybe like to Western if they were working with a professor there. And so yeah, so that is kind of what this fund is. So we're hoping that $2,000 over a period of however many years that lasts can provide some support for students that are interested in STEM research.
Posters have been pasted across the halls of GHS that give information on how to join the classroom, providing the Google Classroom code and a QR code ready to scan.
We have obviously these with the QR code, so once students scan that QR code, they'll be directed to our Google Classroom that we've created. And so I don't think so far that we've had any scans, but hopefully this will kind of spread some awareness for that. And so when you scan this, we would ask everyone to fill out the interest form first, so that kind of gives us a little bit of an idea of what types of areas of research you're interested in and just kind of what your interests are. And so from that, we are hoping that we can even have some mentors that we can connect you with, and also just some resources on like how to cold email professors, which is what I did with my Vanderbilt. So I sent out like 100 emails to all these different professors and ended up, that's how I did my research. So once students do that, then I think that we can get them connected with some good resources.
Apart from the research fund, Bunch also gives the Scotty Channel details on what her plans are now.
Obviously right now, fixing to graduate and everything. So right now it's kind of a waiting period because obviously, I'll start Harvard in the fall doing applied mathematics concentration. And so, right now it's kind of more of just in the waiting period since I haven't actually started those classes yet at Harvard. But obviously I plan to go the MD PhD route, so physician scientist, so that way I can do research in a lab, and I'm hoping to do pediatric neuro-oncology, and so that way I can research that in the lab but also take care of those children with brain and spinal cord cancers. And so that's kind of the plan. I think that obviously this is a great opportunity for students. I think that once they scan this QR code, we can hopefully connect them with some really good resources. And again, any field of STEM is needed here, so science, engineering, math, computer science research, really the possibilities are endless. So whatever your interests are, we can certainly help you with that. And so hope that you can scan this and we'll get you connected.
Reporting from Glasgow High School, I'm Jake Kessler, Scotty Channel.
Hi, so quick editor's note here. The QR code presented throughout this video, it does not work. So instead, please scan this one if you wish to join the classroom. But don't worry, there's been QR codes pasted over the bad ones throughout the school. So if you see the poster and you still want to scan the QR code to join the classroom, you can. Just here for this video, don't scan this one, scan this one. Thank you. I love you.